20. Hello friends, this video on electric circuits part 21 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 20 before going ahead with this one. Discussion which we will see is bulbs arranged in series versus bulbs arranged in parallel. Let us suppose you have two bulbs which are arranged in a circuit in series combination, and the same two bulbs are arranged in a circuit in parallel combination. When you switch on the circuit, that means when the key is pressed, that is the circuit is closed, the bulb glows. Do you see any difference between these two circuits? Yes, you do. The bulbs which are arranged in the parallel circuit, they are brighter than the bulbs which are arranged in series circuit. Why is it so? When bulbs are arranged in series, they become dimmer as compared to the bulbs which are arranged in parallel combination. So why does this happen? That is because the brightness of a bulb is basically determined by the power of the circuit. So the brightness is dependent on power. And what is power? Power is given by V square by R, right? Where V is the voltage, that is the potential difference, and R is the resistance of the circuit. So let us suppose that in these cases, let us suppose the EMF of the battery is the same for both the cases. So what will happen in this parallel combination? In the parallel combination, the potential difference across this will be 10 volts. Similarly, the potential difference across this bulb will again be 10 volts, right? But what will happen in a series combination? The potential difference between these points will be 5 volt, and the potential difference between these points will again be 5 volt. So the potential difference across each bulb will reduce. So when I talk about series combination, the voltage decreases. The voltage across each bulb decreases. And what happens to the resistance? In case of series combination, the resistance, what happens to the equivalent resistance here? Here the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2. And what happens here? Here, let us suppose that both the bulbs have the same resistance R. Let us suppose they have same resistances R. So here the equivalent resistance becomes 2R. What happens to the equivalent resistance here? It is R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So here the equivalent resistance becomes R by 2. So that means in series combination, the voltage decreases and the resistance increases. Whereas in case of parallel combination, the voltage increases whereas the resistance decreases. Now power, if you look at it, is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. So if voltage is more and resistance is less, then power will be more. Therefore in this case, power is more, whereas in this case the power is less. Therefore it is dimmer and this is brighter. So the bulbs arranged in parallel glows brighter, right? Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.